Welcome back to All by Willy Design, where I share free tutorials about alteration. Today we have this prom dress that we need to adjust a little bit of the sides and also to hem it. So I want to show you how. Since the dress is very simple, as you see on one side is a little like bubbly, so we're gonna taper a little bit. So on the customer I did pin on the sides, and as you see it looks more smoother. After we pin, we're gonna pin also the hem, and I did already press the line so I can see exactly how much I have to take in. So this is the back side, which is pretty dress, and now let's start working on it. I will take the removable pen and I will start from inside to mark the lines how much I pinned it. After we're gonna mark, we can easily remove the pins. Next, when we're gonna sew the dress, make sure don't pull too much, and also start smoothly, go from 0 to the amount that you marked. If you're taking in more than ½ inch, then you will need to cut the allowance and serge. Next is the hem. As you see, I did press exactly how much we have to shorten it. I did mark ½ inch from the floor. Then we're gonna do the top stitch a little bit over the quarter from the line that I pressed it. Make sure also don't pull too much the fabric because you don't want to make the hem a little like wavy. So this is why just kind of like push it naturally and you will see how smoothly you're gonna sew the hem. Next, I took the scissor and cut 1/4 from the stitch that we just did. After all, just fold it one more time and then sew it. If you are a beginner and it's easier for you to sew from like the wrong side, then you can do, after years I already got used to sew for on the right side so I can see exactly amount. But if you are beginner, just fold it and sew right where you just did the stitch to make sure it's same amount, and usually like 1/4 from the edge you can do the top stitch. Every fabric is very different. If you want to learn, you can practice on different fabrics to make sure you are doing correct way. It's very easy, just don't be afraid to practice, and then one day you just can help others and also make money from the alteration as well. When the hem is done, I'm just pressing the hem, and that's all, and our dress is ready. I really hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Also, when we're pressing the sides, make sure you are folding the allowance directed to the back side, and then just gently press it. Make sure also if you have the home machine, it's very important to add fabric on top, so that way you don't burn the fabric. Okay, so our dress is ready, and as you see, the lines are smoothly and the dress is ready to go. Here, just in case, the way how you should tie the bow, just in case if you have similar dress, this is the small tutorial how can you tie the bow on any kind of the dress. All right, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.